Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Joe and I am going to be working on this gorgeous desk. It's a very old a vintage desk that we'll be working on today. You can see the top is veneer. Overall, it's all veneer. So we will be sanding this down and painting it. So first step, we will be removing all the hardware. The next step is prepping it. So I am using 150 grit sanding paper and I am going to be sanding down this whole desk, degreasing it, removing the top coat that is already there over the stain so that it is ready to take the paint. Sanding is done. Now I am going to wipe down this desk to remove the dust that is accumulated and making it ready to be painted. It is an alcohol-free wipe, so which is safe for our furnitures. Our desk is ready to be painted. So I have chosen this gorgeous blue color from Salon Paint. It is called Frida. After putting it down, I feel that I will be doing at least 3 coats of it. The coverage, what I want is I want to cover the entire wood with the paint. So I assuming I will be doing 3 coats of this paint. So I'm just brushing it over after sanding, and this is my first coat. This is after the 3 coats and I'm ready to design it. So for designing it, I'm using this gorgeous foil transfer that is foliage finish. It is a beautiful gold foil transfer. You can see the pattern in gold, and this is what we are going to be applying today. So this transfer comes in a tube and there are 2 sheets in total in each tube. I will be using approximately 2 tubes of this transfer. So after painting with in chalk paint, I am sanding it down with a 400 grit sponge to smooth the paint so that I don't have to sand it later on after putting the delicate foil transfer. So yes, sanding and wiping it down with a lint-free rag, all the dust, and then we will begin applying our transfer. So I will go ahead and measure this transfer and cut it out exactly the same size as the drawers. So this is my sheet 1, and I am going to cut it down so that I will leave the trim in the center empty and put the transfer on the top and the bottom part. So this is about 1 sheet that I'm using on 1 drawer, and the left top part that I'm cutting I will be using on the drawer number 2. So we are ready. I've cut out the transfer exactly to the size of the drawer, and after placing it I am rubbing it with the transfer tool. It is an amazing transfer tool to rub your transfer onto the furniture. We can take a sneak peek on how this gorgeous blue gold transfer look on this blue desk, and it is a pretty combination. I'm going to show you once I finish applying this transfer. So this is the second cutout, so the sheet goes in continuation from bottom to top on both the sides of this desk. So once the transfer is there, I use the polishing pad to burnish to remove any excess transfer that is hanging in there. So this polishing pad just takes away any extra foil that is there to give it a nice look. It looks exactly like you have painted it rather than using a transfer. Once I finish this desk, you will be able to see what I'm telling you. It is going to turn out super, super pretty. I am going to align this transfer. It takes a couple of minutes to align this, but it is super simple and easy because the design is very, very detailed and it is very easy to align your sheets and keep working in continuation. So you see, I have applied this transfer and you can tell that it is an attachment. It just goes on very smoothly. So we are going to continue doing the same pattern on the other side of the desk, which means that I'm using another tube, which is the two new sheets, so that the pattern on both the sides of the design of the transfer is identical. So there is symmetry on this desk. So the transfer application is done, and I'm going to seal this whole desk and the transfer using this top coat from Fusion Mirror Paint. It's a matte finish, which means there will be no sheen after I apply this top coat, and that is what look I am wanting, because it's a gold foil and I do not want it to shine a lot. So that's why I picked a matte top coat for this. So probably one coat should be good enough to seal this transfer. And I put back the original hardware on this desk, and I love how it turned out. It looks so dark after putting the top coat, which brings the beauty of the gold and the blue very neatly on this desk. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and the makeover. All the product links are there in the description below, so you can buy them and be creative.